cut.
You would say, take 43.
Alright, French fries.
What? What about them? French fries?
Yeah.
Where'd they come from?
Huh?
I don't know where French fries came from. I know where chips
Just
came
say it. Is that what
So
you're saying?
something else.
from. French fries say, oh, chips. Am I just supposed to say something that made me think over? Potato.
No.
What?
Okay, try again.
What am I supposed to do?
Au gratin.
Mashed.
Huh?
Mashed. Stew.
That was a stretch.
Last time it lifted me.
Yeah.
I did not lift it. Right here.
Again. Try again.
Okay, let's try it over right here.
Try not to jab it into
Yeah,
it.
come away from the plant a little bit. There you go.
If you go right up against it, you're probably going to poke one.
It's lifting me again.
Right.
This.
Here, hang on.
We're digging potatoes. Well, she's digging. We're standing around watching,
Well, I'm digging. They're separating.
supervising.
Look, I found a worm. I love
Oh, we just lost one. No.
She's going.
So we didn't hill these potatoes this year. A bit of an experiment. I guess you call it an experiment now. So we didn't take the time to do it. We didn't have material nearby. So we're just going to see how much they produced without hilling them. Round 2.
I got it.
Smashed slabs with vinegar and salt.
Ooh. I can't compete with that because I was
Fried in a cast iron skillet.
yes. I was just thinking baked. Now it's really boring because you just said that. Go.
Fried potatoes. Hash browns.
Huh?
Hash browns.
Tater tots.
What'd you say just a minute ago?
What did I say about what? Just a minute ago?
Yeah.
Oh. We can keep that our secret. I said I'm glad you didn't have the camera rolling.
Why?
Because it's a secret.
Is it a secret?
Yes.
All right.
The whole world doesn't need to know, Mom.
I was just leaning over here. The sun was on me and I said my butt is
Hey,
hot.
red potatoes. It's a red potato.
Thanks for telling me.
I'll leave it in here because she ain't lying.
No, I really did say it. I'm not lying. Oh, were you complimenting me? See, I didn't even catch that. That's nice.
Red potatoes? What?
Hey. Nice pair. Hey Henley, I'll give you a quarter to eat that.
Sorry, but I'd only eat it if you gave me 50 bucks. Exactly, I'm saying I wouldn't eat it.
All right,
'cause
50
you'd never-
It's
cents
just sour. Emma will eat it with.
No.
for a quarter.
You can't bribe a college student with a quarter.
Evidently.
You need every
You've never
dime
been
you can
sick of
find.
ramen.
I have a meal plan.
She's like, I need every dime I can get. I do, but
What?
she's sniffing mint.
Okay, don't judge. It smells good, okay? I'd eat it for $50 and up, but not down.
$50.
And so that's what
It's
I'm
gonna be so
saying.
sour.
You guys
not quite
share
ready.
money. You don't get anything out of it. I do though.
I'm not ready.
Round 3. Potato pancakes.
What?
Potato leek soup.
Ooh.
Gnocchi.
That's me.
Baked potato.
Oh, I think that's a repeat, ain't
I
it?
don't think she said it. Because she
Someone did.
changed it, because she said she was going to do that, but yours was fancy.
No.
Blank.
You're out. Hey, did you hear about the 2 potatoes that did everything together? No. They were best
Oh, no.
buds. All right, round 4, and the littlest one's out. So I'm gonna kick it off with Hasselback potatoes. You know, the ones where you slice, but not all the way through, and butter and seasoning and bake them. I don't know, you call them something else.
I called them something else.
I don't know, or you don't call them that when you cook them, but you make them.
Yeah, I just make them. I don't call them anything.
Potato salad.
Ooh, that's a good one.
It's such an easy one that everybody's overlooking.
And nobody thought about it, yeah.
This isn't going anywhere.
Roasted potatoes. It's pretty boring.
Grilled.
They're just naming all the ways to cook it.
Okay. Does that count or do you need another?
fire.
Weak,
Week?
but
Weak, but you're still in. Me too,
I can't remember
probably.
ever just grilling potatoes. I mean, like,
Yeah, you wrap them in foil and you bake them.
That's
grill 'em.
baked.
But that's still
not
grilled.
baked,
that's
it's
baked
grilled.
on the grill.
Okay.
It's still grilled.
Come on.
Hey, well, okay, since
Turn
she's
the
out,
other
we'll
way.
leave it up to her. Is she in or out?
I've got another if you need it.
You might want to save it till she decides.
That's what I'm saying, if you need it.
I'm in.
No,
it's-
is she in or
it's
out?
Emma's still
Oh,
in.
she?
With grilled potatoes.
Who doesn't
And-
want a grilled potato?
Here you
Hey, Dad. I'll give you a dime if you eat these.
What is it?
Chalk berries.
First of all, they're not
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not done.
They aren't?
No,
Is this
those
one?
turn black.
dark black, yeah.
Is this one? No, that's
I wouldn't
okay.
jump over you. First of all, they're
Well,
nasty.
they're chalk, so.
I'll eat that to pay for my college.
You just wasted 4 chokeberries.
Chalk berries.
Choke berries.
No one eats them.
Aronia melanocarpa.
Chalk berries. No one ever eats them.
Round 5. Shepherd's pie.
Oh, you cheater.
Scalloped. Has that one been said?
Nope.
No.
it hasn't
Okay,
been.
scalloped.
Mama. Now I just want to know what she thought of that doesn't have the name.
Yeah.
Like,
But I would still use
I
Uh-oh.
think I'm out.
Come on, think of something, Mommy.
I don't know.
Right, it doesn't have a specific name, but I cooked it all the time in like middle school and early high school. I just take potatoes and like almost like blacken them in the skillet with some butter and onions and stuff. I don't know what to call it, but it's a recipe for sure because I had it for lunch like every day.
She did.
And she made it for me sometimes.
So like over-fried, overcooked.
What? No, she did
don't
black
know,
onion
it's-
seasoning.
Yeah, I did like all different seasonings and
Like
stuff. It's
Cajun fried potatoes.
not
or
Cajun,
something.
but it wasn't Cajun.
No.
But it was like, I don't know what I'd call it, but I cooked it all the time. And y'all can vouch for that.
She did do that.
She did, and it was yummy.
Round 6. One of my favorite ways, green beans and new potatoes.
I just thought of something, but too late.
Shush. Potato soup.
Oh, we already had a leeked potato soup.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Mm.
I'm thinking of a specific potato soup.
What is it?
The one I cooked during the project I had in 6th grade.
Her Cherokee Indian potatoes.
It's still just potato soup.
It counts.
Baked
No,
potato
it
soup
don't.
is good.
It does.
Wait, the two people that are out, you say she's in or out with that one?
It was
Huh?
different.
It's a
Had different
stretch, but
ingredients.
she is talking about something
There
else.
were no leeks in it.
There were onions.
Onions and leeks are not the same
I
thing.
say out.
What's yours?
Potato bread.
Ooh, that's good.
All right, sudden death round. We're down to 3 competitors. For this one, you have to name a type of potato and the color, or if it's in the name. You know what I'm saying? A variety of potato. And we're gonna keep going till you fall out.
Okay.
Right? So, Yukon Gold.
That's what I wanted.
Idaho. Brown. White.
You're out.
That's not out. That would totally count.
That's not a variety.
What are you talking
That's
about?
like saying I planted a specific variety of corn called
Okay.
corn.
Do you not buy them and buy the seeds and stuff labeled that?
It has a variety.
Okay, russet. But everybody calls it that. It's the same thing.
Okay, so, all right, we'll give you grace one time. All right,
Red potatoes.
what variety?
But that's what they are.
But there's a variety. It's a type of car, the reds that we planted. And, well, it used to be. It's a town in Michigan.
We don't know the towns of Michigan.
Help her out.
I've been trying to.
Really bad.
Red Pontiac. Pontiac red, red Pontiac.
Never heard that.
Kennebec white.
You win.
We're not all botanists.
I'm not either.
You're an amateur botanist.
But the recipes could have went on all night long.
If you talk about plants
But I
in
had-
Latin,
I had a potato thing.
What'd you have?
The like Krispy Kreme donuts, because they're made out of potatoes, potato
Potato
flour.
flour? So, potato flour?
But no, I was saying the Krispy Kreme donuts.
All right, so who wins?
No one, they're still in.
He's proclaiming himself as the winner.
No, you haven't won yet. They're still in.
Winner does dishes tomorrow
Dad wins.
morning.
No. Dad does not win.
what you don't know is that we
That
do the
is-
dishes every
Hey.
night. There's no dishes in the morning.
Hey,
I ended up with a 5-gallon bucket of potatoes again. About the same, actually more than last year. It's about the same as the year before.
Better than last year, because last year was so
Yeah.
wet. Most of them rot.
A lot better quality this year. Again, we did not hill this. It's about a 20-foot row. I don't think this one's quite 25. 2 rows wide, 20-foot bed, 2 rows wide. I don't remember how much seed we started with. I think it was basically 2 bags, so about 6 pounds of seed. Okay, I don't know what that was.
Sorry. I threw one of the seed potatoes in it.
Nasty.
Splattered everywhere.
But I haven't weighed the bucket. I don't know. I would guess probably 40-something pounds, maybe. Maybe close to. So remember, we didn't hill this, and we also didn't irrigate it. This is in the food forest. The only time I watered this was about a week ago, when I thought we were going to go ahead and dig it that day or the next day. And since we haven't had any rain in a while, the ground's pretty hard. So I just watered a little bit, try to soften it up for digging. And then we didn't water again, and it's dried out again, so it's pretty dry. But it was enough to grow all these potatoes. Worked pretty good. We'll probably, well, we always say we talk about doing a fall crop of them, but I think this year it's more imperative than any year before, so we may do that. But, all right, well, appreciate everybody joining us. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the bell so you don't miss the future episodes. All right, tell them subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell them subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell them subscribe.
Subscribe.
They're a bunch of bossy people.
Yeah. He said he wasn't cutting his hair until we hit 10,000 subs. Guys, subscribe and tell your friends.
Yeah, I'm not cutting my hair or trimming my beard. So
We ain't trying to be ZZ Top over here.
why not? That wouldn't be a bad thing. Actually, I'm working on the skullet, so.
Oh.
Oh my god.
All right, we'll see y'all next time.
Subscribe if you
Bye.
like